Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm taking a look at the NETGEAR Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR700 Wi-Fi router with 6 Ethernet ports and wireless speed up to 7.2 Gbps, AD7200, optimized for the lowest ping. Now this item will be released on December 24th of 2018. Minimize ping and maximize performance with 6 1 GB Ethernet ports for lag-free, wired connective, and 1.7 GHz quad-core processor network efficiency. Amp up your Wi-Fi with cutting-edge AD7200 quad-stream tri-band router that delivers speeds up to 7.2 Gbps. Put your gaming traffic in a designated express lane with advanced quality of service, bypassing network congestion and reducing lag, spikes, jumps, and jitters. So there you guys have it. That is a NETGEAR Nighthawk Pro Gaming XR700 Wi-Fi router with 6 Ethernet ports and wireless speed up to 7.2 Gbps. If you guys are interested in this router, would like more information, would like to check it out yourself, just check below in the description box for the link. Thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Till then everyone.